arugambaho n'abanyamakuru omuri Kasese Municipality ori Prime Minister omu businga obwa Rwenzururu yagira ngu obwa hati oburwire bwa Ebola buriho kandi n'obwakabikamani niko kwiga abantu okureba ngu bagendera aha mateeka agatirweho kandi barebe ngu tubahende biragiro na munonga aha kukinga ensharo ari kugira ngu ekikozirwe omuringo murungi ogwo kutambira abantu obutatunga oburwire obu
ekikale kimuwa enengo mutano owe Kongo na Uganda amachengwa ekindu ekituleke kitwara nabe tukitware etunamurangera the government ikafu okubomezi wetu abanyoni betu abana betu abali Kongo abakonzo betu abayira betu abanande abali Kongo inyobosi tukabasaba ekindu eki tukitware ngekindu ekirire bindi bumezi bwetu bukabonaho
oguyayongera yahiga abo byo bwegese namunonga bakuru b'amashomero okureba ngu bayebembeza eco kunabo mu ngaro na nukozesa sanitizer okureba ngu abeji bafayo ahabyo buyonjo bwabo ko muringo gumwe ogwo kwetantara obutatunga oburwire obu
amashukuru etu abana betu mubatunge abana betu mbayire hemebere ere nabo kobyara abana betu manamba burabe kafayo okwobutuku bunene omwashukuru ambe headmaster iwabu namulengesya erirebya abana ngabamatunga bate omwase owotukakana yono yubanganana rendo kusharidiyo betu ni mubiri wenyu inyonga bakama babo erirebya ende bakatunga emyatsi eyo nuku itwaboshe cyo cyosi cyanga betu namwendera hawo
ori kurira ebyamagara omu district ya Kasese Bwambale Amon yagira ngu obwa hati ihanga litandikire kugendera aha mateeka ago kurinda okujanjara kwa Ebola ogunagira ngu obwa hati niwenda kureba ngu bataho amani gona okuranga ngo buriro buti bwayongera kujanjara omu myanya endijo.
That you are aware, on the 15th of this month Uganda received its first case of Ebola. And this first case was imported from the DRC. In the next few days, we received the other 2 cases and we stood at 3 cases for the first few days. Thereafter, we saw the number rising. We confirmed another 2 to make 5. We confirmed again after a few days another 2 to make 7. And about 3 days ago, we confirmed another.
Amoni yaragira abo abari gukora nabo na munonga okureba ngu baza ahabo byo bushubuzi ahansharo ahari mpondo rubihirira kugira ngu aha hariho abantu nyamwinji ngo kandi bine kureba ngu bagendera aha mateka oguyagira ngu habashubuza binji obwa hati woni bebembeze cyo gukora sente okusinga okubaho kurungi okwamagara gabo.
If you dare touch a dead body with Ebola, you can be very sure be affected. But we still see people doing this in some of the clips we are seeing circulating around. This means, if this can answer your question as you asked me, there are people who still believe Ebola is not real. They still think this is witchcraft. They still think of many other stories.
Omulingo nigo gumwe abarikora omuri za Saruni omuri Kasese nabo bashomesebwa okubine kugendera amateeka ago kwerinda Ebola. Ntama Wilson ori chairman wa Saloon Operators Association yagira ngu ba member bona bine kureba ngu bateka hecho macho kunabo mu ngaro kandi bakakozesa sanitizer obwire bona
abanen babitrayinga okushenjusha abo sha masaluni erebe kunotugala ne sabuni konde Ebola irabwera naba netenda hamba abandu babutuli kandi ngani mwingara jingabo enda trise ko hamba kwa mundu ewabi wabitukera naba kandi ambala na gloves kono kambo Ebola kandi laba no malunzi.
Munyamakuru witu yagambaho n'abantu bamwe bakora umusaruni abagambe ibintu bitari bimwe na bimwe na mnongo kubetebekanise okureba ngo baranisa Ebola.
Twine sterilizer, twine amaizi ago kunaba hahero amulyango kastomo bako banaija twine kumugamba banzo nabe.
Obwa hati oburwire bwa Ebola buriyo ni bujanjara buri kurwa mu ihangeri ya Democratic Republic of Congo ari kugambwa ngu abantu bakurenga 200 baherize kwitwa oburwire obu omu ihanga eri ya Congo. Gasha kwa Mate Isaac ahabwa Tire West.